Oh, hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, please kindly press the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment. If you find this video interesting and knowledgeable, please comment. Give my video a thumbs up, and to my existing subscribers, you guys are so wonderful. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, we are going to be making this beautiful shoulder bag you're seeing on your screen, and the shoulder bag is beginner friendly, so easy to make, and beautiful and spacious. So guys, the measurement we are going to be using for our shoulder bag is 9 inches wideness and 8 inches height. That is 8 inches by length and 9 inches by breadth. So guys, I'm going to be folding my pattern paper into two. So after folding, I'm going to take a measurement of 3 inches at the down part. Please watch this video very well. This is a very detailed tutorial, and this video is beginner friendly. If you watch it very well, you're going to understand what I'm doing. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and I will appreciate that. So from the down part, as you can see, you take a measurement of 3 inches. I took two measurements there. I took 2.5 and I took 3 inches. But I did later use the 2.5 inches because it wasn't giving me what I want. It wasn't giving me that curvy shape. So you can use 3 inches. It depends on what you want. But for me, I'm actually okay with 3 inches. If you are making a bag bigger than this, you know your measurement will be bigger than that. So you should be able to dictate the kind of measurement you want if you watch this video carefully. So you're going to curve the down part, make use of your free hand to curve it. So as you can see, I've started my curving from 2.5 at the start of the whole pattern, but later on I discovered that the 2.5 was not giving me what I want. So I took my drafting from 3 inches. So I will advise you, if you are following this measurement that I'm using, you should take your measurement from 3 inches and curve it down to the side. Now the measurement I'm taking from that side is 2.5 inches. That is the opening of the bag. I don't want it too big. So if you want your hole to be smaller than what I'm doing, you can take a measurement of 2 inches. And if you want it wider than that, you can make use of 3 inches. But for me, I'm okay with 2.5 inches. Now from the side, I took a measurement of 1 inches, and I'm going to make use of my free hand to curve it down to the 3 inches I sketched. So, and that is what I'm doing. Now if you see what I'm doing there, I try to join the 1 inches to the 3 inches. Now you're going to make use of your free hand to just round that side a little bit, just a little bit. No, I don't want the side to be bulgy. I don't know, I don't like it, so I want it to be round. So just give it a small curve, and yeah, and that's after that. So from the 1 inches, you're going to take a measurement of 3 all over 4 of 1 inch, and I think that should be around 0.7 or 0.8. So, and from that 3 all over 4 of 1 inch, you're going to make use of your hand, and you're going to take your sketching from that 2.5 we measured earlier and sketch it to that 3.5, and we are done with our sketching, and we're going to cut that out. So guys, I would advise you, if you are sketching yours, if you sketch it, if after you've actually measured everything, you can just check if what you sketch is what you want, because sometimes you might actually not be like satisfied with what you sketch. So you can just make use of your free hand to resketch till you are satisfied with your pattern. So for me, I'm still redoing my what's it called the pattern, and I think I'm actually satisfied with what I have. So so guys, and that is that about our body, the body of the bag. Now for the side, you're going to take a measurement. You're going to like take your tape and measure round. You're going to take a measurement round. So after that, I measured mine and it actually gave me 21.5. After taking the whole body, the whole round measurement of the body, it gave me 21.5. So, and I'm going to cut out that, but I'm not going to cut out 21.5. So I actually extended my what's it called, the measurement a little bit. I cut out 23.5 because I'm still going to like added half inch for the what's it called, the ring holder or the square ring holder. So I'm going to add that measurement to the corset side of the bag. So just watch carefully, you will understand what I'm doing. So after cutting out the 23.5, I folded my leather into two. So the measurement was 2.5 by 23.5. So I folded the pattern into two, and I located I folded the pattern into two. So I was trying to like locate divide the 21.5 into two. So, and that gave me 10.7, I think 10.7 or 10.8. So that is 10 and 3/4 of a quarter of an inch. So then after dividing the what's it called, the 21.5 into 2, I marked it on my pattern paper. So after marking it, so from that particular measurement, I took 0.5 from both sides at the edge, and I slant it down to the down part of the what's it called, of the pattern. So I think you understand what I'm doing if you watch this video. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I took a measurement of, after folding the pattern paper into two, I divided the 21.5 into 2 and it gave me 10.7. So from that 10.7, I took 0.5 from the up side of the bag and I slant it down. So guys, okay, so I'm sorry. After taking 0.5 inches from the upside, I discovered that the measurement remained 0.5. And if you remember, the upside of our pattern body was 0.7. I took 3 over 4 of an inch, you remember, and that is approximately to, I think, 0.7 or 0.8. So I then, after taking 0.5 from the both side and I slant it down, I later removed, like, I think 1 over 4 of an inch, 0.2, 0.2 from both sides, just for me to have like 1 inch or 0. Or 3 over 4 of an inch. So that is what I did. Then I extended the measurement by 1 inches up for the ring holder. And after then, I shaped the edges. As you can see, I later extend the measurements. You remember I marked that 10.7, and after I've actually removed the 0.5, 0.5, and after removing like 0.8, 0.8, just for me to have like figure all over 4 of an inch at the upper side, as you can see. Then I extended it by 1 inches. So, and after that, you're going to curve it just like that. And that is done. We are done with the pattern part, so we are going to use that to like draw out our leather. So I've already did mine, and I've cut out the lining as well, but I added a stabilizer to the to the bag, and the stabilizer is not equal to the whole body of the bag, just a little bit, just for the bag to stand, because the leather I'm using is not that strong. So you're going to cut your lining bigger than your leather. So after then, I joined the whole bag together and top stitching the same. Then after top stitching, you're going to sew your leather around to the bag, and you're going to do the same to the other side of the bag. Now the sewing, I'm going to like take out maybe 1 over 4 of an inch with 0.2, just for me to have a neat sewing. So after then, I'm going to find the middle of the body and the middle of the gusset. So I've already joined my lining to the gusset side, so I'm going to find the middle of the body of my bag and the middle of my gusset as well. So I will advise you, if you have glue, add your glue at this point before you start sewing. My machine, I don't know, my machine is not sewing on glue, so it's kind of stressed me a little bit, but I was able to like pull it off. So guys, add your glue if you have glue, and we're just going to sew from the upside of the bag instead of the middle I'm sewing from. So you can sew yours. If you add your glue or your gum, you can just start your sewing from the upper side of the bag, and it's going to be easier for you to sew like that. I'm sorry about the background noise, I'm so sorry about that. So you're going to do the same to the other side of the bag. Make sure you use your glue to like hold the bag down before you started sewing, please. My machine is not sewing on glue, I don't know what's happening, and I don't like using a plastic gum because I don't know. Now guys, we are done with our bag. Can you see that? The bag is looking gorgeous already. So the next thing we're going to be doing is we are going to be putting in our, what's it called, this zipper head, and we are going to be putting it inside. We are going to be putting our zipper head there, and after then we are going to cut out the essence zip cloth. So after that, you cannot add your square adjuster. If you are using a D-ring, you can add your D-ring at this point. If you are using a 1-inch adjuster, you can add your adjuster. So I make it of my glue to put that down, and just a tiny bit, because I know if I should put much there, I'm not going to be able to sew it. So after that, I top stitch at the edge. See, we are done with the bag. Remove the bag. So the measurement I'm using for the handle of the bag is 2 inches by 14, 3 inches by 14, and I'm going to sew it at both sides. I'm going to fold it in by maybe 0.5, 0.5, and I'm going to sew it. So after that, you're going to attach it to your bag, and our bag is ready. Our bag is ready, guys. Please, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe, comment, like, and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you, and God bless you. See you another time. Bye bye. Thank you.